How's everybody doing today? Dorian here at Artisan Vapor Company. We're checking out this new Vapor Storm box mod called the Puma. It's a dual 18650 battery device. Let's dive down in and check it out. Alright, so once you first get your device here, it's going to look like this in its packaging. It's going to say Vapor Storm up here, Puma box mod. On the back it tells you what's included in the material, kinds of screen, the threads on the 510, and the height, weight, length, and width. It shows you the other color options you can get it in. And when we open the box, we're first going to see that on the inside it gives you the specifications about this mod, that it's 510 threaded. There's a fire button. Not really sure why it says that. There's an OLED screen, OLED, a switch button, and a USB port. So there's your user manual for your Puma mod, your QC pass card, and your battery safety card. Then we have the device here in the box. We're going to take that out. And our USB charger. Okay, so we have our Puma mod here. You can see there's the 510 thread, there's the front fire button, the left and right up and down wattage buttons, and your USB charger right here. And on the back, that's where you're going to be putting in your batteries, and it does say Puma 200 watt Vapor Storm on the back of that battery door. So we're going to put our 18650s in here. It is marked all in black. Plus up on the left, plus down on the right. It is held together by magnets here and here. We're just going to snap that back on. Alright, so when you first turn on your device, it's going to say variable wattage at the top. We're going to be at 5 watts here. The way you adjust your wattage right here is literally just the plus and the minus. So we're going to go up to about 60 watts. There we go, that's where most people vape at with the tank. It's going to tell you the temperature that you are firing at in Fahrenheit, and also that you are in wattage mode, and it's going to tell you the volts it's going to put out onto your tank, your amps, your ohms, and the seconds you've been vaping on that pump. So this device here has a range of features as far as temperature control goes, TCR, bypass mode, and curve mode. We also can lock the resistance on here. So by locking the resistance, all we're going to do, it's saying check atomizer because I have no tank on here, but to lock the resistance, we're going to click 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Let that clear. 1, 2, 3. It's going to highlight the ohms right there. And it's going to put a lock on it when you press right, and it's going to take the lock off when you press left. And then to get out of that, you just press the fire button. Now to get into temperature control mode, we're going to press the plus and minus together. You'll see that variable wattage is highlighted now. We're just going to press plus. It brings us into nickel, plus again, stainless steel, plus one more time, and titanium. And then now we're in memory mode, where you're going to adjust your wattage or temperature control in memory mode. You can set different presets the way you want them in memory mode. And then we also have bypass. Bypass acts like a mechanical mod plus the safety features, so if you wanted to hit like a mech, you could. You press plus one more time. Now we're in curve mode. You can adjust how your hit goes. So if you wanted for the first 5 seconds, the first second you're vaping, you vape at 100 watts, and then the second you can drop to 90, and then 80, and then 70 as the seconds go on. We're going to go back into there, and then we're back to variable wattage mode. And how's everybody doing? I'm Dorian. I haven't shown myself on camera yet, but I decided to. Why not? You know. But I was going to do a firing test with this Puma mod here. We're using the original Baby Beast. We're using our classic line, Artisan Vapor Company's classic line, Yo Mama's Waffles. That's a waffle and maple syrup. It's an awesome combination. And it's pretty cold outside this morning, you know, and it's pretty early in the morning, and I haven't had breakfast, so it's kind of a go-to. Just one of the flavors we have here. We have over 175 flavors to try in the shop. So if you're interested, come by, you know, test some flavors, and probably find something you'll actually love. But you can see that this mod here fires very quickly. We're going to press the button there. Alright, so let's hit it. That's a pretty awesome flavor there. No doubt about that. But yeah, that was the Vapor Storm Puma mod. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. If you have any questions about our shop here in San Antonio, we have one off Bandera in 1604, and we have one off Heatner and I-10, so make sure to stop by somewhere in your week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you on the next one.